Good morning, room 106. How are you? Today, Miss Lorena has one craft to show you and also some worksheets that you guys will be working at home for our Passover break. So the first project we're going to do an afikomen. So an afikomen, we are going to need a construction paper, any color you would like. Miss Lorena got yellow. You will need also something to decorate. It could either be your dots, it could be jewels like this, it could be crayons. You're gonna need glue, and you're gonna need a scissor as well, and maybe a marker. It could be any color marker. So the first thing we're gonna do to make our afikomen, we're gonna fold our paper in half. So we're gonna do it, we're gonna fold it in half like this, like Miss Lorena is showing you. After you fold it in half, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like a sandwich. So we are going to put glue only on the side of the paper. So we're gonna put a line of glue here, just a little bit of glue over here, and just a little bit of glue here so it could stick together. Remember, we don't want to close the long side because that's where our matzah is gonna go inside, okay? So only the sides, we only need a little bit of glue. I'm gonna show you now. Little bit of glue you need. You're not even gonna see it because all you need is a little tiny little bit. So you see the glue there, the glue strand there? It's just a little bit on the sides. And then we're gonna squish it like a sandwich. Squish on this side, squish on this side. And then Miss Lorena is going to give you a template like this one that says afikomen with dots. You are going to trace them. And after you trace them, we are going to cut the strip of paper. So first you're going to trace each letter, and that spells afikomen. We have A, F, I, K, O, M, A, N. Good job. So you're going to trace it, and then you're going to trace it. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to cut it straight all the way down. You don't need that much white paper. We need a tiny little bit. So you see like this, and then we're going to put glue on the back of the paper, just like Miss Lorena's doing it now. It could be glue stick. It doesn't have to be this glue. See, I put glue in the back, and then I'm gonna glue it in the middle of my paper. It's gonna say afikomen. So it's going to look like this. But remember, you need to leave this side open so your matzah could go inside. So after you finish gluing it and gluing your afikomen, you could decorate it. You could do anything you want. For example, let's say dots. You could do dots anywhere you would like. See how Ms. Lorena's doing it? You could do dots first. You can even do it on the white paper. Doesn't matter. You could do it front, and you could also do it in the back, however you would like. Then, if you have jewels, you could do it. Mine don't have stick-on, so I have to add glue to it. If you have stick-on, that's perfect. So Miss Lorena is going to just add a couple of gems so you can see what I mean. Oh, they all came out blue. Okay, so you see? Just like this. Okay, beautiful. And Miss Lorena is going to send you this matzah template. You're going to cut over your matzah, and then you're going to cut your matzah in half. All by yourself with your scissor, you're going to cut it in half. And you're going to use half of it to put inside your afikomen. And it's going to go inside here. So I will be sending you this template home so you guys could cut it out and put your matzah inside. Also, Miss Lorena has a couple of activities for you guys to do. So we are going to do a pyramid. What shape is the pyramid? A triangle. Good job. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. So in order to do a triangle, we need a construction paper. We need brown construction paper, and you're going to cut them in little rectangles. I'm going to show you now the little rectangles. They could be like this. Little rectangles just like this, brown. Okay? And then we are going to do a pyramid. When you build a pyramid, we don't start from the top to the bottom. We start from the bottom to the top. So we're gonna start building our pyramid up here, and then going to the next one all the way until you get to the top. You see Mr. Rena's pyramid over here? I started on the first one, then I'm going on the second row, and here I'm missing one, so I'm gonna put it now. And so on. You're gonna continue on the top part all the way until you get to the top to do your pyramid, okay? And when you're done, it's gonna look like this. So remember, we go row by row, okay? We start from the bottom all the way to the top, okay? Also, Miss Serena will be sending you, we have a math worksheet. Let's see if you remember your numbers. We're gonna review your numbers from 1 through 8, okay? So here are your numbers, and you have to match them to the items. So for example, here, they have nuts. Let's count how many nuts they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are going to find our number 8, and it's right over here. So you're gonna make a line from here all the way straight down. So you're gonna match each item to the corresponding number, okay? Another worksheet Ms. Serena is gonna give you is our pattern Passover math. It's gonna look like this. It has pattern. You have to find the pattern that's missing. So let's do the first one together. Miss Serena will be sending this and as well this one, so you guys could cut it out. So let's see the first pattern. It's matzah, Elijah's cup. Matzah, Elijah's cup. Matzah. Good job. So A, B, A, B, A. So matzah, Elijah's cup. Matzah, Elijah's cup. Matzah. So you will cut out one matzah and you will glue it over here on this box. And you're gonna do the same for the other 3. Okay? So let's see how you guys do it. And don't forget to send Ms. Lorena the worksheet and all your art projects so I can see them. I'm sure they all came out beautiful. I miss you guys and I love you, and have fun and happy Pesach. See you.